Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Boy, if we could play some Thunderstruck or something right now. I got chills on that one. So here we go. Third place, friends, in the stock class of the 2019 Belt Sanders 7th annual race. Here we go. Let's hear it for car 54. It's like cops and robbers. We got robbed on that game. Whoa, there it goes. P3. P3 gets third prize, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. And an even more welcome. Let's hear it again for Sue Carlson for putting up with all of us. She did a great job, Sue. Awesome. All of a sudden you're racing the big jump. There it is. All right, friends. First place. Who thinks it's going to be Parky Post? Who thinks it's going to be Buds? Guys, listen. Best of 3 for the championship. Best of 3. 2 out of 3. And you know what I'm going to have them do? Switch lanes. We'll have them switch lanes. That way everybody gets a shot at each side, okay? Everybody here agree? Okay. Sure. Hey, I'm just a virtual scorekeeper. That's it. Hey, watch that light, Mike. Mike got an idea, ran right into the lights. All right, here we go. It's awful quiet. All right, you guys are ready. Crikey. Let's go, there it is. It's close. Oh, Bud takes it. Kill the switch. All right, that's 1. Now we go back. We're going to switch sides and race 2 out of 3. It is a little better. All right, here we go. 2 of 3. If Mr. Kane himself, if Buds gets this, he takes first prize, and Parky Post goes for second. This might settle our championship in the stock round, friends. All right, here we go. Parky Post and a 6-pack of Bud. Get her stage. There they're up. Oh, it's Buds takes the championship. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner.
You want in it?
But my goodness gracious. All right, friends.
Me?
Friends, here we go. Third prize goes to P3. Let's hear it for him. Yes, second place, and again, definitely not last, Parky Post. Let's hear it for him. And yes, your winner of the stock class 2019, come in single-handedly, Buds. Let's hear it for Buds. Great job, all of our Sanders. We appreciate all your participation.